Let me teach you about the winged sociopath that is the cuckoo bird.
What?
The first thing you need to know about the cuckoo bird is that the mother cuckoo bird will eat an egg out of the nest of a completely different species and put her own in its place. Let's see what happens next.
I like how you say cuckoo bird.
So that's not a cuckoo bird. That's some other species
That's not
of
a cuckoo bird.
There are a few eggs in there. That is a cuckoo bird.
Whoa.
It is alive. It is just a few seconds
But
when it's old.
Its egg looks like the other egg.
Yeah, and you know what its first thing? You get a little snack, get your energy up. That's the first thing it does from this other mother. And then you start to murder.
What?
First step.
No!
Pushing out your potential adopted brothers and sisters, dropping a leg.
What?
He dead. Another one.
Whoa!
Or she gone, killing them because the cuckoo bird needs a lot of food. It can't share food with other birds, so it's killing its competition.
What?
Now, it is the only bird in the nest.
What?
It has the
Why
mother
does it
and
look like
father-
that?
Because it's not related to those other birds. Look at it grow. Mother and father of those birds that eat murdered is coming to feed it. It grows bigger and
It
bigger.
is so
It is
big.
only 2
What?
weeks old. It is already bigger than the nest, crawling out, crushing the nest. And you know what? That monster, 6 times the size, still getting fed by the mother and father
What?
of the bird
No.
that it murdered. The cuckoo bird is a monster, a menace. I need you all to know that's not it. Wait till you see what it does if it's not the first bird to hatch. Roll that video. And see
There's
how that makes
more
you feel.
video?
Oh, there's more. See? That's a live bird. That's a little baby
Oh,
bird.
no.
Birdie infanticide.
What is this?
Cuckoo birds
What is
are the worst.
This
They're
fetus
monsters.
Mortal Kombat. What
They
is
are
happening?
monsters. They are the worst.
Wait a minute. This is the clock bird? This is the bird with the clocks?
This is so when people say, "Oh, cuckoo clocks, they're so nice," you're celebrating a maniac.
Wait, how do you even know about this?
I'm kind of hooked on David Attenborough. I love.
Oh, I love
He gives me
Attenborough.
that stuff. He taught me some other things. Do you know that Komodo dragons can reproduce asexually? Female Komodo dragon can duplicate its chromosomes and drop a fertile egg, having never met a male dragon in its life. David Attenborough facts, brats.
Wow, you should do more of
Oh,
that.
I love it. Don't make me get off on these narwhals, boy.
Oh, those unicorn horns.
Fantastic. I love them. I'm the unicorn of this show.
Wow.